All right, I'm live. Perfect. So I'm going to send the Google link here in the Discord.
So you're live on YouTube?
Yeah. And let me just share my screen. This we can close. This we can close. And then let's see who joins. All right. So Costa, I'll see you there, okay?
All right.
Right.
Yeah.
Hello, Costa. Oh, more people.
Yes.
All right. Hello, everyone. So we're going to be continuing with this framework template build. I'm also streaming on YouTube, so if you don't want to like interact, if you just want to watch, you can go ahead and look at that on YouTube, right? So while I open everything, we're gonna wait for everyone to come in as well. Let me just look for my project. How's everyone doing, by the way? I hope you guys are doing well. Awesome. Another day, another build. Hello, Kenneth. I'm good. Nice to see you today. Hello, Akin. So we're all international here. I think the person that has who's furthest away is Arif. I think you're in India, I believe, right? So it's very late over there. Okay. So yesterday we ended up finishing like the bulk structure of the site, and today we're just gonna go ahead and try to finish, do the continue on designing the site, right? I've been using frame blocks for some sections, like as you can see here. I mean, this one was something that we built, but then we added this component from frame blocks. So we have some different types of things here that we can use. We just got to make sure that it looks nice. And we're going to just go section by section, right? We saw these different inspirations the first day. So today's Wednesday. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, I'm not sharing it here. Let me share my screen here. There we go. It didn't work. Okay. Let me share it again. Thank you for that. I can just make sure that everything works. So let's go here to, let's edit this. Someone wants to join? No, they don't want to join anymore. Okay. So right now on Google Meets, we are 5 people in total. In YouTube, we're 2 people. So that's nice. Welcome 2 people in YouTube. Thank you for being here. Oh, okay. Okay. So then we have a mystery person. Hello to you. Thank you. This is my first YouTube live. So Luciano, okay, let's bring him in. All right. 6 people today. 2 people in YouTube. Okay. Maybe let's just wait another minute or 2 to get started. If you guys can see my screen, I hope so. I think I'm sharing, right? YouTube as well. Great. Oh, I got a like from YouTube. Amazing. I hope it wasn't Costa. Okay. Okay, but still good. Thank you. All right. Let's wait a little bit longer. And so yeah, so we're just gonna keep on going section to section, seeing how we can, better the design. Um, we have the hero section, we have the section below it about the church, about the pastor, what to expect when you go, right? A newsletter, call to action. Um, what else do we have here? This part, I don't remember what it was. Get connected, I think it was. And then we have this contact with an FAQ. And then we have to add the footer and the nav bar at the end. Yeah, so we're going step by step every day, a little bit more and more. So, okay. Still, YouTube Live is 2 people. Anyone have any questions until now? Maybe any suggestions or something like that before we get started? Okay. No questions. All right. Thank you, Luciano. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start building. And let's go from there. So I'm just going to go use this. This is like a nice image background. I'm going to use this plugin Lumi. A lot of people use Unsplash. I've been using Lumi a lot lately because I feel that the pictures from Unsplash, although they're real, they're quite repetitive. I see them in a bunch of templates and so on. So I'm just going to go here and search people enjoying or celebrating or something like that. This one might be nice. And if anyone has any, recommendations on something, feel free to interrupt. First action and framer starts right. Yeah. So I think we also might want to add like a gallery, right? So it's not just one image, it's going to be like a gallery of different images. And I believe there's something like that here in Framer. Oh, right. Yeah, for CMS. That's a good point. So how would we build that gallery? I think today we should focus on like the hero section and maybe these 2 sections, right? So let's just do that. I think that's a good idea. We should connect it to the CMS. But what type of tool here can we use for the gallery? I know that there's something, is it like a slideshow carousel? I think a slideshow would be good, right? So let's put a slideshow and let's make this hero without an image. Let's just give it like a white background. Let's put this slideshow absolute, make it 100% relative on both ends. So like this. Let's put this in the middle, like so. And then let's try that with the CMS. Let's add a new CMS collection. Let's call this like gallery. And in our gallery, let's edit the fields. Let's add an image. Or what was it? Oh, we have a gallery field. Okay. Wait, so then we don't need, then this wouldn't be called gallery, this would be called like experiences or something. So for example, we could add like a picnic experience or like a day at the beach or something like that. Oh, o- mm, okay. Okay, like in the detail page or something like that. Okay, so not really on the, like on the ticker or the slideshow. Okay, then then for like a short time solution until they fix that, what we can do is just create different images. Yes, I did have a dynamic carousel tutorial, but it was more for like a section for a gallery, like a not really a hero section. I want this to be more of a background images rather than like different images at once. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. Like a single full screen image, right? So, but we're gonna be building underneath like something like this in this type of style under this quote, right? So let's first do that with this image. Let's pick an image that, or let's pick three images. Oh, like this. Let's actually stack them like this on top of each other. And let's go here, plugins, Lumi. No? Oh, okay. Let's do that. Let's try that. Why not? We have time. Let me create an account on my other screen. And have you guys tried that? Okay. Okay, I'm right now creating my account. I'm waiting for my code. Here it is. So let me copy that. Let me paste that. Where was it? Here. Okay. Oh, I got some server error. So let me try again. Different email. Continue. Now let's get the code again. Okay, it doesn't work for me somehow. It's like crashing. Yeah, that's bad. So we won't be using this. I tried with two different emails. All right, let's just pick other pictures of people enjoying. Um, What about this? Let me move my notebook over here. Put this over here. All right, let's see. I think at the end, we want to make even better pictures, right? Somehow. Because these look really stocky still. This one, for example, is very grainy. Okay, let's put this at the back. Put style z index 0. Okay, let's do something here. Can add a variable to this. Yeah, I'm thinking. You think arrows would be better, like somewhere not on the left or right, but maybe on like the bottom corner here or something like that? No, the arrows. Something like arrows close to each other on the right. I think it is possible. I've done it before. Yeah, bottom right. And then from the right, 20 pixels. Maybe a little bit more. And then we remove the dots. Yeah, but it's not working. Oh, I think it's because this is set to full and the z index is higher. So what we have to do is for this, we have to set this like a max width. It's fixed, maybe 750. Put this on the left. And then if I press play, it Should work. Yeah. Okay, I also think I want to open an AI here so that we can think of the copy. And I'm gonna give the yeah, like a dark overlay, you mean? Yeah, something like this, right? Yeah, filter my work. Mhm. Yeah, you mean like this, right? Like something of a filter. Forgot what it's called though, right? It's called like a gradient. Blending, draggable, style. Yeah, or if not, like my you know, easiest solution would be to make an overlay, like Costa said. But I'm just thinking if it should be like a dark mode or a light mode website, because a dark mode would look nice. Yeah, like for example, this one is dark mode, and I don't think they did a really good job with this transition, but making it combine with the image, like the overlay. Oh, how about now? Yeah, 1 second. Can you see? Okay. Yeah, so they made it work in dark mode. It's also a church website. Um, or we can do like a mix like this, like the header can start off dark, and then eventually it can be white, and then dark again or something. Let's let's maybe do that. Let's do this dark with this nice overlay. So I'm gonna add a frame over like this. Oh, let's do it differently. Let's just go like this. Yes, absolute position. Yeah, you're right. But do I want to make like like a gradient like this? This is also what I'm thinking of. You see? That's what I was looking for. Is it there? Can I do that to a slideshow via this? Oh, here it is. Yes. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, perfect. That's what we want. That's what we want. Thank you, Costa. I was looking in the wrong area. It's for mask. Okay. And then we go like this. We can bring this down, hopefully. And we can make this background dark. Let's make this hero no color. Let's make all of these no color. Actually, before we do that, let's just edit the text. So I want these to be white. This to be white. And this as well to be gray. And then this, no color. And then this, no color. And then I'm going to ask Claude, hi, can you give me a header? Right, and for this, we'll go to a place where authentic faith comes to life. Excommunication, we believe. One second. Hold on. I gotta pause this really quick. 1 second. All right, I'm back. Okay, where were we? This. So I generated this text. This text seems to be a little bit long. Welcome to a place where authentic faith comes to life. At Grace Community Church, we believe in creating meaningful connections with God, with each other, and with our community. It's nice that you explain faith. So this can be probably coming later. Let's just put this here. This can be. I had a document with the call to actions. Hold on. Or is it here? Is it this one? No. This one. The church membership staff informs. Okay, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna download this as a kind of like this. Paste URL. Keep these guidelines in mind for our conversation. What to call to actions can I add in hero section? One must be a main CTA, the other must be a secondary button. Okay. Oh, I kind of see that this is also, these dots are fading away. For the images, right? Instead of the. Mhm. Like put this. Oh, you mean like this or something like that? Mm, I, I think it's better to add it here. Let me just try with this one. We have to change this image. Oh. Okay, I understand. Yeah, but let's just first, I want to first do this and see how this looks like. Because I think now, yeah, now the dots will show. And I think it looks cool with the dots. See, now it shows. Even with this gradient, because the mask is over the image. I have to add a content variable. Paste. Let's watch latest sermon, not service, right? Sermon. How you spell sermon? I think it's somewhere here. Sermon. See if we have scroll speed. I want to check something out. This works. Yeah, okay, cool. It works. Yeah, it's getting somewhere, right? It's looking good. Okay. This pill looks a little bit too much. I want something more like handwritten. I was using one for my course. This one. And by the way, my wife is actually building the new, my new like business homepage, and it's gonna be really good. I promise you guys. So like something like this. I like this little touch of. I like this somehow. I don't know how to explain it. Some people used. What word was I going to write here? Oh. No. Maybe it just looks good down here. And let's unlink this. What would be a good color, apart from black and white, to give this church? Does anyone have any good recommendations? Maybe like a gold or a dark brown? Okay, dark brown would be interesting. Maybe let's. Okay, amazing. That's a good idea. Maybe next time we should have something like that organized where people can just like a Figma page or something. But I think the best place would be WeTransfer. You know how to use that? Yeah, like WeTransfer. And just put it on the chat and then I'll open it up. Let me know when you publish it or when you post it here. Oh, nice. Thank you so much, Chris. That's amazing. Um, thank you. I'm very happy that I can help you with everything. It means a lot, really. Um, what were you saying, Costa? Sorry. Oh, Miro, yeah. But is Miro for free for more people? Me too. I've used it for my job mostly, like when I had a job. Um, I need like a good quote. I want to add a good quote here. So let me put just like this. I want to add a mission text under the hero. Oh my God. When you guys build with Framer, do you use, ChatGPT or Claude or other things like this a lot, or is it something that you don't really use a lot? Oh, right. Yeah, you showed that the other day. Mhm. Did you use that for your projects, like for your portfolio projects that you have in your page? Especially for concept work. Okay. In the chat. Okay. Oh, you got dropped off. Oh, beautiful, bro. These are nice. Amazing. Whoa, how is so good, man? Whoa, these are AI. Wow, man, these are great. These Wow, what's the name of the website? That's what I'm interested in. Awesome, awesome. This is great stuff. This is, like, really consistent. Amazing, man. I didn't know about this. Like, he even has his coffee here. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, yeah, we are 100%, 100%. I think I'm gonna put it, like, over here because this is where I'm gonna talk about the pastor. So we're gonna put, like, a picture here. Obviously, this is not finished, but, um, you know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 100%, man, and those are the types of churches that I'm going to, go after, like, those bigger ones that are more, like, what just like the image that you're sending me, that's exactly, like, the type of, church that I'm trying to, get to. 100. It's amazing, man, like, this is really good. Really good stuff. Thank you so much, man. Wow, look at this. So did you write the name of the website? Okay, labs, okay, this is labs.google. Image effects. Okay, okay. Hold on, let me just finish this really quick. Alright, let's see. Okay, a passionate white preacher delivers a powerful sermon on stage holding a microphone with a black button of shirt style. Wow, this is really great, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, yeah, this is really good, man. I mean, I didn't really know that this existed because I've been using, Midjourney most of the time. I pay for Midjourney, by the way. So yeah, yeah, 100%. Is it possible to make this one a little bit more zoomed out? Can you do that? Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, that would be great if you could make this one zoomed out because here it's also not bad. Just from For sure, man. Like, if you got the time, like, that would be a big help. Like, I'll just be here, replacing these images for now, and then basically just exactly. In a hall or, like, in a park, maybe, like, there's I mean, here in Miami, what they do is they go to a park and they hang out there because it's, like, sunny here, Something I don't know, something like that. Something that shows the humanness, right? Yeah. Uh-huh. Really? So for the about the church, okay, so this is what we're gonna do. What's happening? All right, so we need classes, events, groups, programs, classes, events. Maybe it'd be good to put like sermons or online sermons, classes, events, groups, and what was it last one, like trips or something? Mission trips, all right, mission trips. Oh yeah, now we got to think about our color. I mean, to be honest, I mean, the blue kind of fits this. Yeah. Okay. It kind of reminds me of this site of the one from my boot camp with the gradients. It has some of these things here and there, like these colors. I don't think it's been synced yet. Uh, Oh, so tomorrow's Thursday. Tomorrow, I would say that it would be best to have a beta version done, like in this style, and then on Friday, like do the final touches on the details, and maybe start sending a few. Let's see. So, okay, you send the Dropbox. All right, perfect. I just close this one. About me. All right, perfect. Okay, okay. I like it. Okay. Okay, I understand. Like just crop out their bodies, you mean? Mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, I think that this for now is like really good, man. I think it's like amazing. We can do those final things like I said on Friday, we can do final touches on designs, meaning like do some types of effects with the images, do some scroll effects, some just do those final touches before we send it out. And that can be done on Friday. I think today we're actually in a good pace. I wanted to, work on this, and I want to do one last thing today, which is just remove this image and actually add like cards that go along with each one of these categories, right? And basically portray the cards under each tab. So if I were to press play and if I click here, there'd be classes here, there would be events and groups. There wouldn't be an image, there would be, cards. And it doesn't really matter about the design for today. We just have a good, good structure going on. And these images help a lot, 100%. Um, but yeah, then on Friday, what we can do is go ahead and see how we can animate things, how we can make some nice movement as we scroll downwards. Yeah. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this, and instead of having an image here, we're going to have instead of having an image, what we're going to do is we're going to have different cards. We're going to have a collection. And I'm going to do this really quick. It's already 3, but we started a little bit late, so it's fine. So what we're going to do here is add a collection. So we're going to go to CMS, and instead of putting experiences, we're going to call this we're going to add one more called categories. So categories, and then we can call this activities. And then under categories, we're going to have these different things. So online sermons, classes. So online sermon, save classes, or class, new item, mission, trip was one of them, save group was another one, save, and what was the 5th one? Class event. Okay, so event, item event. And then for each card, we're gonna have the same type of design for each card, but it's gonna have an image. So we need to edit the fields here. So we need an image, we need a reference to the other collection. So we're going to put reference and not multi-reference, reference to category. So image title, slug, category content, and we might add a description text. So plain text, put it under the title, description. So this is like a 1-sentence description, and we can add a date as well. So date, and this can go underneath. And then I'm going to start just adding a few example items. So I don't really care about the image for now. Let's just choose something that matches. So this would be category event and event. And we have some random text here and there. Oh. Put this doc. All right. Event. The description. Text. Some date. The future maybe. Category event. Some random text. Click out. Save. And then let's just duplicate this. Let's change the image to something else. Let's put some flowers. Call this a flower sermon. This is going to be shown a little bit earlier on Valentine's Day. What a coincidence. Duplicate, plugins, Lumi, another random picture of some house. And this is a mission trip. So this mission trip is going to be in the summer. Something like that. All right. Oh, this has to be a online sermon. Okay. So we got 3. Now what we want to do is we want to put that here. So I'm going to go insert, collection, activities, put this like this, make this fill, make this go like this, put this like this, make this fill, turn this into a grid, I would say. Something like that. Make this set to fill. Give this like some height. Make 250. Remove this radius. And now, so we're gonna rename these things. And I want to see how it looks like in the mobile. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna call this sermon or desktop. Just leave it like this, tab 1. And then this would have to have a type of filter. Okay. We can first of all filter it by date. So we can put the things that are after a specific date. So this is after. I've never used this date filter, so I'm trying to see how this looks like. So date is after today. I want to see when these events are. So this one is going to be 10/26. So this one would be 1st, 2nd, 3rd. No. Oh, I think it's sorting. Okay. Sorting by date. Okay. So we can sort by oldest to newest. So you can basically, in other words, you can put like the stuff, the events that are coming very soon in the first position and the events that are coming in the future at the end, right? So that's the first thing that I want to kind of filter. And the second thing that I want to filter is here under visible, create a variable. Actually, no, not here. It's here, visible, set variable. In this case, the category is included. No, let's see. It's included in the online sermon. Okay. And then, for example, for this one, visible, remove that, and we put classes, class. So we don't have any classes yet. Here, it would be for event. And then we need our mission trip, or group first, and then mission trip. And this one, condition, mission trip. All right. Now that's looking good. For the mobile, I would say we can put these as a stack going downwards. Yeah. And we have to fix these. So condition is included in online sermon, it's included in class. This one included in event. This one is included in group. And this one in the trip. Perfect. So now let's go home. We only have 3 events. We can already start seeing them. And you can already see it like this. Perfect. So that's kind of what we want. And we want to style it in a way that we can probably put like the date up here on the right. And maybe make this a little bit shorter. I don't know why it's so long. But make it a bit shorter. So add the date, add the title, and some description text. And the title, for example, can be larger than the description text. It would be like an H2, or maybe we'd add a new H3 style. That would be, 24 pixels. And we make this left aligned. And this one wouldn't link to the title, it would link to the description. And then make sure that everyone else has the same type of deal going on. Perfect. All right. Now let's try to do that with the thing here, with the badge. And I'm just gonna go like, I'm gonna grab this text, put that out here, put that in here, give this a layout, make this text, give it a stack, make the stack fit the content, give it some padding, make it white, make this dark, and link this to the date, format the date, We can put this on the top. Yeah, something like this. Maybe we can remove this. Add some more space on the right and left. Give it a nice little radius. And then yeah, looking good. And then we go back home. Yeah, we can see that it's working. This is still pretty long, you know, this height. I don't know why it is like that, but it's pretty long. Maybe it has something to do with this here. Let's just set this to fix just to, you know, kind of mess with it. No. Height, fit, content. Okay. Let's make this smaller then. Okay. That looks good. This should be going like this. And for the mobile, I don't really like that they're going like this. Yeah, like that the, how can I explain it? They're on top of each other somehow. I mean, like here, vertical borders. Yeah, I just don't like that they're but it's, you have to like scroll to click and then scroll down to view the, I guess, I guess it would be cool to have like, you know, like a drop down for the phone. Yeah, like a I don't know, infinite scroll, but like horizontal scroll would be cool. Like something like horizontal scroll. Yeah, something like that would be cool. Actually decrease this. Be like 275. Mm, mhm. Yeah, yeah, that's true. Or need, yeah. Why is there such a big space here? Oh, bottom padding. Is anyone interested in um, having this remix link and trying out on their own to see if they can build something? If they are, then let me know. I can send it to you. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that sounds cool. Do that. How much percent did I put? 10? Yes, I'll share on Discord, I would say. Okay. Yeah, sounds like a good idea. Why not? Again, I don't want to put so much work into other pages. Like I want to make this one page, and that if someone, for example, clicks on like some call to action here that's supposed to take you to another page, they would be taken to like a page that describes, um, okay, if you want to have other pages, feel free to, purchase a larger template, right? Some landing page that converts for them, you know? Okay. I've never tried that in Framer, like A/B testing. That might be a good thing to do. How would we do that? Is there like a way to do that with Framer? I think so, right? If we go like here, we can do some like where was it? A it was like some plugin. A/B simple A/B testing. Yeah, we can do it with this. I remember. Um, I'm trying to see how. I'm trying to look at something. One second. This is H2. I don't want this to be H2. No, not today. No, I should be drinking it soon. No, I don't know. I don't know. I don't like this font so much. Like I like it here, but I don't like it. SF Pro display. I like it here a lot, but yeah, exactly. But here I don't like it so much. Like or this H1. I would prefer something different, like this or this. Mhm. Or like this. That's what's this bricolage grotesque? Increase the opacity. Okay. Yeah, you mean the paragraph font? I mean, the opacity is kind of decreased. It's like a gray. You can do something like this. This one. I'm just trying to analyze something. Let's see. If I remove this, let me make it. And this will be. No, not yet, at least. Here, you mean? Yeah, like something like until here. Oh, this looks nice. Top, yeah, not white. True. It's like 3 pixels. Let's see how it looks like in the preview. It's getting there. It's it's like slowly. Right. Let's see. Wait. Oh, okay, I understand. Like, wait, let me do this 1 second. Let's do this fill. It's getting there. I think we need to rest our eyes. I'm gonna send this to you guys in Discord. So if you're in my Discord community, great. If you're not, and if you're in YouTube, feel free to join my Discord. In detailed description below. and yeah, I'll just send this to my Discord. All right. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. We see each other again tomorrow, same time, 2 p.m. my time, Eastern time. Okay. And yeah, and it was nice. First time doing YouTube live streaming went well. Everyone, thank you so much for joining. Costa, Akin, Luciano, Kenneth, also thank you so much for those amazing AI images. Like really, really cool. We keep on moving forward tomorrow. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good one. All right. Bye bye.